Hey everyone! If you want to create professional tutorials without spending hours recording, editing, and adding voiceovers manually, Guidde AI can make the process much faster. In this video, I'll show you how to create tutorials with Guidde AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Guidde website and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account using your email or Google account. Next, install the Guidde browser extension. This allows Guidde to capture your workflow and automatically turn it into a step-by-step tutorial. If your audience speaks different languages, use Guidde's translation feature to create localized versions of your tutorial with just a few clicks. When everything looks good, publish your tutorial and share it using a direct link or embed it on your website, knowledge base, or training portal. For the best results, keep tutorials focused on a single task and review all AI-generated content before publishing to ensure accuracy. And that's how to create tutorials with Guidde AI in 2026. It's a quick and efficient way to produce professional guides without advanced video editing skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.